So, if I talk about the democratic condition in South Africa, it is given in the book example. You go through your book also, example is given there. So, the main points I'm discussing here. So, already remember this point was also South Africa is known as a rainbow nation. What do you mean by rainbow nation? Rainbow nation because of the mixed race. Blacks, native people of Africa, white Europeans, and colored the Indians and some other people living in Africa from other countries. They were known as colored. So black people, white people, and colored people, mixed races were living there. So South Africa is termed as rainbow nation also. But they all were not treated equally. They were discriminated on the basis of race. Means the white people were granted all the rights. They were getting all the privileges, all the facilities. But the black people were considered as a very low grade people. Or the colored people were also not treated equally. They were segregated in many grounds. Only white people had voting rights. None of the black or the colored had any type of voting right or any other right also. Black, those who were the native African, and the colored were the Indians, were segregated on different grounds. Like they were separated for transport facility, separate hospitals, separate schools and libraries, bathing and the public toilets, etc. Means white peoples never considered equal to all those colored and the black people. South Africa fought for its independence under the leadership of Nelson Mandela. Finally, so many people were against to this system and suffering a lot, but anyhow finally they supported with the leadership of Nelson Mandela. He and some other 7 leaders were even sentenced to life imprisonment in 1964 to oppose this system, the system of apartheid. Apartheid system was basically a racial system. Okay, what is apartheid system? What do you mean by apartheid? So apartheid system was basically a term given for racial discrimination, used for racial discrimination in Africa. That racial discrimination is mainly between black and whites, known as apartheid system in South Africa. So they raised their voice, and many people were also against to that system, as well as started their fight for the freedom. Finally, because of this 28 years he was for the sentences for the life imprisonment, and he passed 28 years in prison. That was the most dreaded prison of the Robben Island. Then hold the country. Then later on, when pressure was increasing continuously over the white people, finally the white people also, the British also came to know that now the things might be worst. So finally other people also made their own separate political party as the ANC, African National Congress Party, which fighting against to the British power. That lead the struggle. So in this way, finally, the